This is the BMW X3 M40i protected with a Ghost 2 Immobiliser. So how this works, if someone got the key, a thief tried to steal your vehicle, they'd manage to get it started, whether they've got the key in hand, they do a relay attack, they try and steal the vehicle. As soon as they pop it in gear, it switches off. So how you'll drive this, you can pick a code unique to yourself, totally up to you. For now we just have 1, 2, 3, 4. The hazards will give us a double flash. And now we're able to select our gear and drive away. This system self-activates when you turn the car off, so you don't need to worry about reactivating it. All you do is turn the car off. If someone tried to steal it, straight away, as soon as you turn the vehicle off, pop it into gear, just going nowhere without the code. To book your installation, you can either visit our website, immobiliserfit.com, or you can give us a call on 0208 212 7393 to secure your vehicle. This is a Ghost 2 on a BMW X3 M40i.